Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate a link for your Instagram story. So in here, you can start by clicking on the plus icon at the top to add your story and then select a photo or videos first. Sorry. Okay, so I've already select a photo, and to start adding a link, you can click on the sticker icon at the top, and here click on the link option, link sticker here, click on that, then write your URL or link. I'm going to paste it in here, and after that here you can customize the sticker tags. For example, I'm going to subscribe, okay, like this, and after that click on done. So adjust the position. You can also change the color of the sticker. So after that you can just upload it, and when your followers click on the sticker here, it will automatically direct them into the uh, link address. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.